Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Hadoop on Windows with WSL for learning. Complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring your Windows system is up to date. Open the Microsoft Store and install the Windows Subsystem for Linux, also known as WSL. Once installed, launch WSL and set up your preferred Linux distribution. For this guide, we will use Ubuntu. After the initial setup of Ubuntu, update your package lists by running the command sudo apt update. Next, upgrade any existing packages with the command sudo apt upgrade. Now, install Java Development Kit, as Hadoop is dependent on Java. Use the command sudo apt install openjdk8jdk to install Java. Verify the installation by running Java version. Next, download the Hadoop binary from the Apache website. Visit the Apache Hadoop releases page and copy the link for the latest stable version. In your WSL terminal, use get to download Hadoop by typing get, insert link here. Once the download is complete, extract the downloaded file using the command tar xvzf Hadoop filename. Move the extracted Hadoop folder to your preferred installation directory. For this guide, we will move it to the /usr/local directory. Use the command sudo mv hadoop -version /usr/local/hadoop. Now, we need to configure Hadoop environment variables. Open your .bashrc file by running nano/.bashrc. At the end of the file, add the following lines: export Hadoop_home equals /usr/local/Hadoop export path equals $PADH $Hadoop_home/. To apply the changes, run the command source/.bashrc. Next, open the Hadoop configuration directory located at $Hadoop_home/ etc/Hadoop. You will need to edit several configuration files, starting with coresite.xml. Open the file with nano coresite.xml. Add the following configuration property name fs.default fs/name. Next, edit the hdfssite.xml file by running nano hdfssite.xml. Add this configuration property name dfs.replication/name value 1/value/property/configuration again. Save and close the file. Next, you need to configure mapredsite.xml. If the file does not exist, create it using cp_mapredsite.xml.template mapredsite.xml. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.